Hey, it's Pete at Pete's Snakebite Kit. This is going to be a real quick video. You know, I've been pretty vocal about the Holley Sniper and us parting ways. Well, I got a bunch of sniper stuff. A couple people have emailed me saying they have them that works. If you want sniper parts, I've got sniper parts. All right, so we got a couple instruction manuals. We've got a wire harness. We've got a wire harness in a bag. We've got a wire harness in another bag. I've got that oxygen sensor. I think I have another one around here, and one of them works, one doesn't. We've got 3 of those no weld, put a O2 sensor in the exhaust system deal. We've got 3 of those 3-inch screens. We've got those adapters. I've got a couple of coolant temperature sensors and 2 complete throttle bodies. Neither one of those works perfectly. I know one of them has a dead processor in it, but maybe it's stuff you can mix and match and make it a happy sniper. So there you have it, a bunch of sniper parts. Hey, I'm not saying this is great stuff, but I do understand that they don't sell components to the throttle bodies separately. So maybe somebody needs stuff out of those throttle bodies or whatever. I will take a reasonable offer for everything. The buyer pays shipping. Hey, let me know if you're interested.